Hello, Standard 5 students. Today we will start grammar chapter 7 adjective. Chapter 7 adjective. Page 34 to 37. Okay. What is adjective? What is adjectives? The word which describes the noun or pronoun called adjectives. The word that describe the noun or pronoun called adjectives. Example: Manoranjan is a very obedient in the class. Very obedient is the adjective. It is the quality, and class is a noun. It describes the in the class. Okay, Manoranjan describes in the class. What? Very obedient. Very obedient. So Om is over intelligent in the class. Om is over intelligent in the class. Om is over intelligent in the class. Over intelligent is the quality, and class is the noun. Okay. Then kinds of adjective. 7 kinds of adjectives. Okay. 7 kinds of adjective. In the standard 3, you have read 4 kinds of adjectives. Then standard 4, 5 kinds of adjectives. Then here you know the 7 kinds of adjectives. Sayokita has a nice handwriting. Has a very beautiful handwriting. Nice handwriting or beautiful handwriting. Beautiful is the quality, and it describes the quality of the quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, positive, distributive. Okay. Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, this, that, demonstrative, possessive, his, her, then distributive, then interrogative. Okay, then interrogative, that is the question mark. Here there is question mark. Interrogative, whose pen is this? What idea came into the mind? These are the interrogative. Okay, these are the interrogative. So, first quality, Sayokita has a beautiful handwriting. Beautiful is the handwriting. Beautiful is the adjective. Okay. Then S. Ryan is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is the adjective. Which quality? It describes the quality. It describes the quality. Then quantity. Badal has some tiffin in the morning. Has some tiffin. Some is the tiffin is the noun. Some is the adjective. There is a lot of noise. A lot of means jordar noise. Lot of. So it is a quantity. Jor se quantity. Less quantity. More quantity. Enough quantity. So these are the quantity. Lot of, some, any. Okay. Then number. A Charu has 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 5 pen, 5 pens. Okay. So it has the number. Manojan get first position. First is the number. Second is a number. Third is a number. Fourth is a number. So Manojan got first position in the class. Then it is got a number. Then demonstrative. These stars are shining. This tree is a mango tree. Okay. These qualifies the possessive. This qualifies demonstrative. Demonstrative. Then possessive. My, her, your, their. Okay. These are the possessive. It is my pen. It is my pen. It possesses to me. Her English grammar book has been lost. Her उसका इसका ग्रामर बुक कहाँ खो गया है? कहाँ खो गया है? Her is the English grammar book. Her is the possessive. Then distributive. Each student of the class of 5th is in proper uniform. Proper uniform. Each. Every boy looks handsome in the 5th class. Okay, every. Then interrogative, question mark. Whose pen is this? What idea came to your mind? What idea came to your mind? What, whose? These are the interrogative. So another exceptional points you came to know. Remember, there are some adjective ending with ing and ed. Ing and ed. That are the adjective. Interesting, remaining, exciting, confusing, then worried, surprised, married, satisfied. These all are the adjective which implies the ing and ed. Surprised, worried, married. These all are the adjective. Then come to the exercise. Rajdhani Express is a fast train. Is a fast means द्रुतगामी, fastest, द्रुतगामी, जोर से चल रहा है, fast, FAST, fast train. It possesses quality. Adjective. The street was narrow, wide, long, short. These are the quantity. These are the quality. These are also quality. Narrow, short, long. Okay. Then ant is a teeny insects. Ant is a teeny insects. So it possesses the quality. Big, teeny, small, fat. It is the possesses quality. Okay. It possesses quantity. Teeny means small, quantity. Enough, jada, more, jada, quantity. Okay. These are the quantity. Okay. It is all about the adjective. Remember at home for the test. The question may come like this, and the exercise it has already done in the book and has gone in the WhatsApp. So you see and write down in your copy, assignment copy. The next class, degree of comparison. Good, better, best. High, higher, highest. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. These are the degree of comparison. So next class we will start the degree of comparison. Thank you all of you. Now we will start the English Grammar Standard 5 Chapter 8. Chapter 8 is the degree of comparison. When we compare a adjective and used as the comparison of a person or a thing, that is called degree of comparison. And with 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive is there is no comparison at all. Good boy, the positive sentence. He is a bad boy. He has not compared with others. So there is no comparison. It is the positive. If there is compare, then the sense will come the rich, richer, richest, year, more. Okay, year and more. All will come in this comparative. Okay, in the superlative, est, most, best, strongest, most dangerous. Lion is the most dangerous of all animals. When it compare between 2 or more persons, here between 2 persons or 2 things, here more than 2 things, here 2 or more than persons, 2 or more than persons. Okay, 2 or more than persons. So the 2 or more is the superlative, and between 2 things or person, that is comparative, and there is no comparison, that is positive sense. So here is an example. Babu is the best boy of class. Best boy Babu is the best boy in our class. Babu is the best boy in 5th class. Babu is the best boy in the 5th class. So best is the superlative. But here is the sense is no other boys of the class is good as Babu, as good as. Here is the superlative, but your comparison is the as good as. Okay, as good as. Then Badal is the most sincere. Most sincere is the sincere, more sincere, superlative. But it has compared with other students. Then is the very few boys are as sincere as Badal is. As sincere as Badal is. So here the comparison between as sincere as, more sincere, best. So the comparative degree is the Manoranjan is the taller than Om, as not as tall as, or is than, as tall as. So when it will put, then that called as the comparative, or comparison between two persons, as tall as good as, okay, as shorter than. It is the, then Om is not as tall as Manoranjan. When the superlative come, Badal is the better than any other of his 5th class. Better than any other. Badal is the best boy. Here is the comparative to superlative. Here is the comparative to as tall as. Is not as tall as. Here both are comparative. Here it is the superlative to comparative. Superlative to comparative. Here the superlative to comparative. As mean that is the very few boys are as sincere as Badal. Here the compare. Okay. Then pick out the adjective exercises. 3 examples it has given. Delhi is the larger than any other city of India. That is comparative. Iron is the useful, positive, useful. There is no comparison to others. So it is useful. Lead is the heaviest metal. Means all other the metals are there, but the lead is the heaviest metal. It is the superlative. Heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay. So it is all about the degree of comparison. You come prepared with the answer, and remember all the given positive, comparative and superlative, all 3 things. Okay. This is all about the degree of comparison. Thank you all of you, standard 5 students.